You've been cleaning your house wrong this entire time, and honestly, it shows. That's why your home still looks like a crime scene, even after you spent 3 hours cleaning last weekend. I'm about to tell you 10 mistakes you're definitely making right now that are wasting your time, destroying your surfaces, or just making things objectively worse. Buckle up because this is going to hurt your feelings a little bit. Number one, you're cleaning from the bottom up instead of top to bottom, which is absolutely unhinged behavior. You're over here vacuuming your floor like a responsible adult, feeling good about yourself, and then you dust your shelves. Guess where all that dust goes? Onto the floor you just vacuumed. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. You just created twice the work because you don't understand how gravity works. Always clean top to bottom. Ceiling fans first, then light fixtures, then shelves, then surfaces, then furniture, and finally, the floor. This is not advanced rocket science. This is literal basic physics that you learned in elementary school. Dust falls down. Let it fall while you work, then pick it all up at the end in one go. But no, you'd rather do everything backwards and then complain that cleaning takes forever. I wonder why. Number two, you're using way too much cleaning product, and it's honestly embarrassing. More chemicals do not equal more clean. They equal a sticky, gross residue that actually attracts more dirt. You're out here spraying half a bottle of cleaner on your counter like you're trying to exorcise demons, and then you wonder why everything feels filmy and looks worse 2 days later. Congrats, you played yourself. Here's a wild idea. Read the directions. I know, reading is hard and you're very busy, but most products literally tell you how much to use. A light spray, that's it. Not a full on chemical warfare situation. If your surfaces feel sticky after cleaning, you use too much. If they look streaky, you use too much. The answer is always that you use too much because apparently self control doesn't exist in your cleaning routine. Number three, you're not letting cleaning products sit, which means you're essentially doing nothing. You spray your bathroom cleaner and immediately wipe it off like you're being timed. That's not cleaning, that's just getting your counters wet and calling it a day. Cleaning products need time to actually break down the dirt and grime. It's called dwell time. Look it up. Spray the cleaner and then walk away. Go check your phone. Make a sandwich. Do literally anything else for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the chemicals do the work they were designed to do. When you come back, everything wipes off easily because the product actually had time to work. But you can't wait 5 minutes because you have the patience of a toddler. So you scrub and wonder why cleaning is so hard. It's hard because you're doing it wrong. Number four, you're putting your vacuum away while it's completely full and then acting shocked that it doesn't work. Your vacuum canister looks like it's about to explode and you're still trying to use it. Why isn't my vacuum picking anything up? Because it's full, genius. It's literally at maximum capacity. You're just pushing a useless machine around your floor at this point, getting a little workout in while accomplishing absolutely nothing. Empty your vacuum every time you use it. Every time. Or at absolute minimum when it hits the fill line that is clearly marked. I know you see it. Stop pretending you don't. A full vacuum doesn't suck up dirt, it just exists. You're basically performing theater at this point. Empty it, and wow, suddenly it works again. Who could have predicted this incredibly obvious outcome? Number five, you're using the same disgusting cleaning tools on everything, and it's honestly revolting. That sponge you're wiping your counters with is a biohazard. It's literally crawling with bacteria, and you're just spreading that bacteria around your kitchen like you're seasoning a dish. Your mop head hasn't been washed since the previous century. Your scrub brush is growing a science experiment. Your cleaning tools need to be cleaned or replaced regularly, or they become dirtier than the surfaces you're trying to clean. Revolutionary, I know. Sponges should be replaced weekly or sanitized daily. If your cleaning tool smells like death, it's not cleaning anything, it's just making everything worse. But sure, keep using that crusty sponge. I'm sure it's fine. Number six, you're leaving windows and mirrors streaky because apparently you've never successfully cleaned glass in your entire life. You're using too much product. Shocking, we've discovered this. We've covered this. Or you're wiping in circles like a maniac. Or you're using something that sheds lint everywhere. Then you step back and your mirror looks like a toddler attacked it with dirty hands. Great job. Use less product. We've been through this. Spray lightly, then wipe in straight lines, not circles. Circles create streaks, but you already knew that because you've been creating streaks for years. Use an old cotton t-shirt or something that doesn't leave fuzz behind. Wipe in one direction until it's dry and clear. If you still see streaks, you use too much product. Again, always. Number 7, you're mopping your floor with increasingly filthy water and wondering why your floor looks terrible. You fill one bucket, you mop your entire house with it, and by the end, you're basically just painting your floor with dirty mop soup. Why does my floor still look dirty? Because you just washed it with dirt water, Einstein. Change your water when it gets dirty. This is not complicated. When your mop water looks like swamp water, dump it out and get fresh water. Or use a spray mop system where you're always using clean solution. If you're married to your bucket method, use 2 buckets, one for soapy water, one for rinsing. But that requires thinking ahead, and we both know planning isn't your strong suit. Number 8, you're not cleaning your washing machine or dishwasher, and then acting confused when your clothes smell weird and your dishes have spots. These appliances don't magically clean themselves while they clean your stuff. They get dirty too. Shocking revelation, I'm sure. Run a cleaning cycle on your washing machine monthly. Clean the gasket, clean the filter, get rid of the gunk. For your dishwasher, run it empty with cleaner or vinegar. Remove food debris from the filter. These machines work better when they're actually clean, but you just assumed they were self-cleaning magical boxes, didn't you? They're not. Number 9, you're scrubbing like your life depends on it when you should just be soaking. You're in your shower having a full upper body workout trying to scrub off soap scum. Meanwhile, you could have just sprayed it with cleaner, let it sit for 15 minutes, and wiped it off with minimal effort. But no, you'd rather suffer. Let the cleaner do the work. That's literally why it exists. Spray it, walk away, come back, wipe. Same with burnt pans, crusty stove tops, any stuck-on mess. Soak it, wait, wipe. Stop trying to muscle your way through everything like you're proving a point. The only thing you're proving is that you don't understand how cleaning products work. Number 10, you're cleaning in a completely random order within each room, bouncing around like a pinball with no plan. You wipe the counter, then clean the toilet, then go back to the sink because you forgot it. Then remember the mirror exists. You're creating your own chaos and then complaining that cleaning takes too long. Pick a direction and stick to it. Start at the door, go clockwise, top to bottom, left to right, whatever system works for your brain. But have a system. This way you don't clean the same spot twice, you don't miss entire areas, and you actually finish in a reasonable amount of time. But planning is hard, so you just flail around randomly and wonder why it takes 3 hours to clean a bathroom. Here's the thing, you're not bad at cleaning, you're just spectacularly bad at the techniques. You can scrub until your arms fall off, but if you're doing everything wrong, your house is still going to look like a disaster. These 10 mistakes are why you feel like you're constantly cleaning but never actually getting anywhere. Fix these and suddenly cleaning becomes faster, easier, and actually effective. Or don't fix them and keep wondering why your house never looks clean despite all your effort. Your choice. But at least now you can't say nobody told you. If this made you feel personally attacked, but also weirdly validated, hit that subscribe button. I make videos for people who are trying their best, but clearly need some help in the common sense department. Drop a comment and tell me which of these 10 mistakes you'll be making so we can all judge each other together. It's therapeutic.